Do you sometimes have trouble studying at home? It might be down to your study environment. This video will show you how to organize your study environment so you can properly focus on studying. Okay, first of all, the most important thing is that you feel comfortable at your desk. But why? The less stressed out your environment makes you, the more energy you have left to study. You can think of it like a learning energy bar in a video game. When you're full of enthusiasm and feeling really good, the bar is full. Any type of stress makes the bar smaller, and you have much less energy left for studying. By stress, we're talking about things like noise. Are you always hearing noise from the street or the TV? Then you lose energy. It stinks of rats because an animal dropped dead on your desk. Even lower energy. And your cell phone goes off every 3 minutes? Now you barely have any mental capacity left to learn anything new. But what can you do? Make sure you feel comfortable. Reduce noise. Shut the door and get earplugs or headphones if you need them. That way you can cut out extra sources of noise. Ventilate often. Fresh air is important to make sure your brain cells are supplied with plenty of oxygen. The mitochondria in your cells need oxygen to provide energy for thinking. The third thing is, make sure you have a proper study area. For most tasks, all you need on your desk is a desk lamp, some paper, and a few pens. The rest is just clutter. You feel much better sitting down at a tidy desk than at a junk shop. And on top of that, your brain is simply less stressed. So what about your laptop and cell phone? On the one hand, they can really help when you have to look things up again on the internet. And there are some really awesome study apps. Like ours. On the other hand, your cell phone and laptop can also be really distracting. But the good thing is you can have the sweet without the sour. The useful features without the distractions. And here's how. The same rings true here. Keep things tidy. Do you know those kind of people who have 20 tabs open in 5 different browser windows? They probably simultaneously have Facebook, their email, and YouTube open, and notifications are flooding in. Just the perfect conditions if you want to lose focus on studying. In other words, before sitting down to study, close all unnecessary tabs and programs. Also, take the time to disable notifications on your laptop if you don't really need them. There are also loads of browser plugins such as Stay Focused. You can use these to block the distracting websites during your study session. The same goes for your cell phone. There are really awesome apps that make learning fun, like our SIMPLECLUB app, where we explain complicated topics in ways you can understand them, and in just 5 minutes per topic. Just go to simpleclub.com. But your cell phone can also easily distract you. A text from a friend here, then the news app pops up again to tell you something big has happened, and now YouTube has an awesome video recommendation for you. If you want to get rid of constant distractions but still want to use really useful study apps, you can install an app like Off Time. It lets you set which apps you want to block during your study session and which you want to be able to use, so you won't be distracted, but can still use your awesome study apps. Okay, so to be really productive and able to concentrate, you can do the following. Set up a tidy and quiet study environment. Get rid of everything you don't need from your desk. Only use your laptop and cell phone if you have installed apps which block distractions. Now, all that's left to do is to take a look at our app on simpleclub.com without distractions. All sorts of study topics explained in a quick and simple manner. See you soon. Let's get going, and see you later.